Pranayama is a Sanskrit word meaning restraint of the prana or breath. The word is composed of two Sanskrit words, prana, life force or vital energy, particularly the breath, and ayama, to suspend or restrain. It is often translated as control of the life force, the prana. Breathing is life. It is one of our most vital functions. One of the 5 principles of yoga is pranayama or breathing exercise, which promotes proper breathing. In a yogic point of view, proper breathing is to bring more oxygen to the blood and to the brain, and to control prana or the vital life force energy. Pranayama yoga goes hand in hand with the asanas. The union of these two yogic principles is considered as the highest form of purification and self-discipline, covering both the mind and the body. The essential 4 parts of a very commonly used pranayama exercise are inhalation, lungs full retention, exhalation, lungs empty retention. Many breathing techniques in pranayama vary the use of these 4 parts and use different breathing patterns. Almost every cell in the body benefits from the regular practice of pranayama. After a session, breathing is naturally long and rhythmic. All of the body's organs are properly supplied with oxygen, allowing them to function properly. With the regular practice of pranayama, lines of energy are entangled. The energy flows freely. It is strongly recommended to only practice pranayama under the supervision of an experienced teacher, and health conditions should be clearly communicated beforehand. You must discuss pranayama with your doctor, who can talk about which pranayama techniques will be safe for you. The following breathing meditation will guide you to relax by staying focused on your breath. This will calm your mind and relax your body. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Sitting on the floor with your legs crossed is a good recommended position for pranayama. Close your eyes and relax your muscles. Your body will continue to relax as you meditate. Observe your breathing. Notice how your breath flows in and flows out. Make no effort to change your breathing in any way. Simply notice how your body breathes. Sit quietly, seeing in your mind's eye your breath flowing gently in and out of your body. Let the thoughts pass and not disturb your focus on the breath. Notice the stages of a complete breath. From the in-breath to to the pause that follows, the exhale, and the pause before taking the next breath. Now, as you inhale, count from 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain the breath and count 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, as you exhale, count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Retain this state and count 1, 2. Now, as you inhale, count silently from 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain the breath and count 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, as you exhale, count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Retain this state and count 1, 2. Now, as you inhale, count from 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain the breath and count 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, as you exhale, count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Retain this state and count 1, 2. Now, as you inhale, count from 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain the breath and count 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, as you exhale, count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Retain this state and count 1, 2. Notice how calm and gentle your breathing is and how relaxed your body now feels. Keeping your eyes closed, begin to feel the presence of the physical world around you. And when comfortable, slowly open your eyes and remain sitting for some more time. Slowly return to the standing position, feeling re-energized after the pranayama exercise.